Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert a CSV file or a Excel file to a list. How to import an Excel file or a CSV. So I will use, in Sketchware I will use a edit text one, okay, another edit text 2, a button and a list view, okay. So let's go to Excel file. This is my file, okay. Firstly, I have to copy the link of our file. The file must be shared in public. We copy the link and we go to edit text 1 and we will make our link here. So to import a CSV file from an Excel file, you have to modify this link. So you have to make export format equal CSV, okay. Now here I will show you the first condition. We need a permission, the internet permission. On activity create, we will add this, a web view load, okay. Next, here I have two more blocks. The first is to read a CSV. CSV, this is asynchronous task, which is back task, okay. This is the code. And I have another block which is execute. So I will explain. The first, CSV read. It gives a result in edit text 2. It uses the URL in edit text 1 and convert the file to a text in edit text 2, okay. And the execute block will execute the async task by using the edit text 1, by using the URL, okay. So we have to add these two blocks, okay. Now we go to button 1. When button 1 clicked, we will add the more block execute, okay. Execute will call the first more block. Execute block will call the read block, okay. Now we will try our application. When we click button 1, this is our result. This is our result. It's a text. This is our result. Now we want to convert this to a list view. We go to edit text 2, which is our result, and click on text changed. So firstly, when edit text to text changed, I will create a list of string list1, and I will set or add our result to this list. Okay, when edit text to changed, and so when we get the result, we make this result in a list, and we will set our list view. We will set our list view of list1. Let's try. So we click the button, we have our result, and we have a list view. The problem is that the list view is, we have only one item in this list view, but we have two rows. We need two items in our list. How to do that? We go back to our Sketchware. In edit text to, when text changed, I will show you how to do this. So firstly, we have to add a variable, a number variable, I, another variable, number variable, for example in, and another variable p. Okay, and we will set or initialize our variables to 0. Okay, now for each letter in our result, we will look if we have a return to a line. If we find a new row, we will add this row in a new list. Okay, so first we add a new list of string list 1. We have our list. We have already created a list. Okay, so we will use repeat for the length of our result. We will repeat of the length of our result. The result is a text. Okay, if we find that a letter is equal to new line, we will add this line to our list. So if we substring our result from I to I plus 1, because the letter in Sketchware is indexed by the first index and index plus 1. We will understand. And plus 1, for example, if I equals 0, 0 to 1 is the first letter. The second letter is indexed by 1 to 2. The third letter is indexed by from 2 to 3. This is all the letter in our result. So if the letter equal to a new line, if for the length of our result, if we find a new line, we will add or insert this subtract. We will copy this. We will insert a subtract from the first start of index of our line, which is initialized by n. We will insert the first letter from the first letter in our arrow, which is initialized n, to the index of the new line. We will insert this in the p, which is the index of a line in a list. Okay, and we will increase. If the condition is true, we will increase the p, which is the index in the new list, and the letter and the variable n will be the variable n. The start of copying will be I plus 1. Okay. Now the variable I will always increase. Okay, that's why we make it here. Number I increase after the if. Okay, so in any case we will increase the I to look for the new line. Now we will set our list view. List view, set list view data. Let's try. So this is our result, and this is the 2 items in our list. That's good. So what we need, for example, if we need to show this, just the second result, the second index or the second line of our list, the second arrow, we add a text view, for example, and a button. When button to click it, we will set our text view. We will set our text view to get, for example, the second row of our list, which is number 1, because the first row is number 0 and the second row indexed by 1. So let's try. This is our list view. Okay, and when we click the button 2, we will show just the second index of the list. Okay, we can use this block or application in many fields. Thanks for watching, and if you have question, you can read a comment. Okay, thank you and bye.